Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the simple blockers. Type your email or phone slowly and check for typos, because one wrong character prevents access. Next, enter your password with caps lock off and your preferred keyboard layout so you don't create an unintended error. Once done, test both the Facebook app and a browser. Make sure to clear the app cache or browser cookies to remove stale data that can block authentication. These first steps rule out most common, fixable issues quickly. If the basics didn't work, use Facebook's Forgot Password flow so you can reset via email, SMS, or trusted contacts. That's the direct way back in. Check your email, spam, and junk folders and act fast because codes often expire. I recommend entering a code within 10 minutes to avoid timeouts. If two-factor authentication is active, recover using backup codes or restore your Authenticator app from its recovery seed so you don't get locked out permanently. Once you regain access, secure your account by choosing a strong new password and enabling two-factor authentication. Review recent logins and remove unfamiliar devices so attackers can't return. If Facebook blocks you for suspicious activity, follow the ID verification flow and submit clear photos of your ID. That process can take a few days, so be patient. If all else fails, contact support with timestamps and screenshots of error messages so they can trace the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.